This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your YouTube history. To begin, open the YouTube application on your mobile device or navigate to YouTube.com on your computer. From the left-hand menu, or by tapping your profile picture on mobile, look for the option labeled History. Selecting this will bring you to a comprehensive view of all your previously watched videos. This is your starting point for managing past activity. Once you are viewing your history, you will see a list of all your watched videos. To delete a single entry, simply hover your mouse over the video on a computer or tap the 3 vertical dots next to it on a mobile device. A small X or Remove from Watch History option will appear. Clicking this will instantly remove that specific video from your list, ensuring it no longer appears in your past activity. This is perfect for quick, individual adjustments. For more extensive deletions, look for the Clear All Watch History or Manage All History options. On the desktop, these are usually found on the right-hand sidebar. Here, you will be presented with choices such as deleting history from the last hour, the last 24 hours, or even all of your watch history since you started using the platform. Choose the time frame that best suits your needs for a broader cleanup. Beyond deleting past entries, you have the option to prevent future videos from being recorded. Look for the Pause Watch History setting within your history management tools. Toggling this on will stop YouTube from adding any new videos to your watch history until you decide to reactivate it. This is useful for maintaining privacy during specific viewing sessions or for resetting your recommendation algorithms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.